This is Shannon at Kenshaw Toyota, and I'm going to give you a tour of the 2010 Toyota Corolla Sport that you're interested in. So let's go.
And what my job was, I was in the head of the sales department, and what I would have to do.
We're going to start a tour by taking a look inside, beginning up front. So this Corolla has power locks and power windows. There's a nice view inside. And here's a look at the steering wheel mounted controls for the radio. And there's a look at the dash. So this Corolla has 121,834 kilometers on it. And here's a look at the center console. So this Corolla does have air conditioning. It is also manual transmission. And of course it has a sunroof as well. And there's a peek in the back. Now let's take a look inside the back. So the back seat of this Corolla sits 3. And here's what the front looks like from the back.
Oh, fuck, Ashley? Are you serious? Ashley? Oh my god, Ashley!
And now, Karl, here's a closer look at the wheels. And here's a look in the back. So the back seats of this Corolla do fold down. They are a 60-40 folding split. And as you can see here, that opens up right into the trunk, giving you lots of storage space inside this Corolla. And lastly, we're going to take a look inside the trunk. And there you go, Karl. If you have any questions about this Corolla, or if you would like to come in for a test drive, please feel free to respond to this email, or you can call me at 416-766-1155. My extension number is 128. This is Shannon at Kenshaw Toyota with your tour of the 2010 Corolla Sport.